Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to hide your profile photo on Telegram app. Go to your phone menu, find the Telegram app and tap on it. Click on the left menu. Now go to Settings. Under Settings section, tap on Privacy and Security. Under Privacy section, tap on Profile Photo. Under Who Can See My Profile Photo section, select My Contacts. Now, under Add Exception section, tap on Add User next to Never Allow. Select the users you do not wish to view your profile photo. Tap the right icon to save the changes. Tap the right icon again to save the changes. That's it. Your profile photo is hidden from the selected contacts on Telegram app. This is how you can hide your profile photo on Telegram app. Thank you for watching.